All right, guys, we are back for the second part of lesson 39. So right now, if you have not completed the 3 textbook slides, you need to pause and make sure those textbook slides are complete because I'm going to go over them with you. And this is a time for you to review your answers. So if you didn't do it yet, you need to do it independently first. Okay, textbook 1, you have 2 shapes here, A and B. It is asking you to find the perimeter of the shape here and the area down below. So perimeter, remember, that's adding all sides together. We do the top, which is 5, and the bottom, which is 5. And then our answer there is 10. Then we do the left and the right, 4 and 4. And the reason that is opposite sides of rectangles are equal. That's 8. And if we add all those together, we get 18 inches. So you should have 18, and you don't have to add the inches part there, but it is 18 inches is perimeter. Area, we know is length times width. Length times width. 5 times 4 equals 20. And then shape B, top and bottom are 2 and 2 feet. And the left and right are 5. So we got 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 4 plus 10 is 14. And in this case, it would be 14 feet. Area, length times width, 5 times 2, and 5 times 2. Hold on, let me move me up. There we go. 5 times 2 is 10, and this would be 10 feet squared because we are talking about area. So that's textbook page 1. Let's look at textbook slide 2. Now we have different shapes here and items that we're going to add or subtract together. Okay, so let's add these items together. It says you want to buy the oven mitt. That's this yellow one right here. So I'm going to put that one in the top, $2.19. You would like to buy the pot right here, which is $5.50. And then also the can opener, which is this one over here, $1.95. So now you need to add up all of your purchases. Okay, so 9 plus 0 plus 5 would be 14. So hold on 1 second. I'm going to put the 4 down here, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 7 plus 9 is 16. So we're going to bring the 6 down. And we're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. You should have $9.64. That would be your total if you were purchasing those 3 items. And the last textbook slide, these were subtraction. So 724 minus 99, you would have to borrow, for this one, you'd borrow from the next category. So 14 minus 9 would be 5. And then 11 minus 9 would be 2. And then this would be 6. So 625 would be your answer for A. B, 530 minus 265. Again, you're borrowing. So if you borrow from the 3, this would become a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then you can't do 2 minus 6, so you have to borrow again. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And then you would have 4 minus 2 is 2. And you should be down to 265. Last one, 492 minus 196. Again, you cannot do 2 minus 6. You must borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. And then we borrowed from the 9, so we can't do 8 minus 9. We got to borrow again. So now it becomes 18 minus 9, which is 9. And then it should be 3 minus 1, which is 2. 296. You then have independent work to do. All you have is workbook parts 4 and 5 if you didn't complete those. I need to see a picture of those workbook parts. Some of you are giving me pictures of your workbook, but not the parts I'm asking for, so make sure you show me 4 and 5. All right? Then you're done for today. Tomorrow's Friday. Woohoo!